Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video is we're going to unbox and review the Edifier W240Tn. Let's go! Hey guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel, and I'm again very excited today because we're going to unbox this new product from Edifier, the W240Tn earphones. Now let's take a look at the key specifications of this product. This in-ear headphones offers up to 7 hours of music playtime and 14 hours of charging case. And one of the best features of this in-ear headphones is that it has active noise cancellation with ambient sound. And since it has AI coil noise cancellation technology, you can really experience a crystal clear call quality. This in-ear headphones also has an IP55 rating, so it has dust and water resistance for active use. Alright guys, so now let's do the unboxing. Wow, take a look at the box guys, it's really premium and also it is very stylish. So it seems like the Edifier really make an effort to make the packaging more premium. In the box, we have the earbuds itself, the paperwork, and also charging cable and safety manual. It has also extra tips for your earphones. And let's take a look at our Edifier 240Tn. Okay, so let's open this one. Okay. Wow. Take a look at that. It actually looks like matte finish guys. So it is easier to hold and it's not glossy, so it can prevent accidental drop. Okay, so we have here at the top we have Edifier branding, and the charging area is here, and the pairing button is here as well. So let's open this one. Wow, as you can see guys, it has light bars which adds premium feeling of our earphones. And let's take this one out here. Wow, as you can see guys, this is now our headphones. So as you can see guys, it actually has this kind of button here. Okay, and it has some kind of silver design, and the design really reminds me of a piston. And guys, again, take a look at that light bars. It looks so nice. And now guys, I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to connect your Edifier W240Tn on your smartphone. So all you have to do guys is get the box, and then you're going to scan this QR code here. And after downloading guys, you're good to go, and you can just customize your earphones on the application. And here in our app guys, you can turn on and off the noise cancellation. You can also choose which sound do you want, like classic, dynamic, and or also you can customize. And yes guys, for the gaming, you can also turn on the game mode. And after testing the W240Tn for a few days, all I can say is that it really did an amazing job. While listening to music, it's really nice, and also while playing game, it really gives you that immersive experience. So guys, if you're looking for a budget-friendly yet premium earphones, then this W240Tn is for you. If you want to check out guys, just click the link in the description box. Alright, so I think that's all for this video guys. If you have any questions, just comment down below. And if you like this video, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you in our next video.